feeling something, something. Hello, honey bunny, toco, toco. You're my pumpkin, pumpkin. Hello, honey bunny. I'm your dumpling, dumpling. Hello, honey bunny. Feeling something, something. Hello, honey bunny, toco, toco. How many times lady love had given me missed call? What to tell you, lazy left no battery at all. Idhar udhar heart bouncing like a ping pong ball, 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 ball. Tring, 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 tring. Hello, honey bunny, feeling something, something. Hello, honey bunny, you're my pumpkin, pumpkin. Hello, honey bunny, toco, toco. Such a stupid fellow, that is what I thought. Making people fall in love, no other word for what. Got to know him better when you entered the plot, 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 plot. Thanks to his idea, you're my honey bunny, I'm your pumpkin pia. You're my honey bunny, bole drink, drink jia. You're my honey bunny, toco, toco. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, honey bunny. Hello. Feeling something, something. Hello, honey bunny. Hello. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Hello, honey bunny, toco, toco.
கரடி மாமா எங்க போறீங்க எங்க போறீங்க?
காட்டு பக்கம் வீடு இருக்கு அங்கே போறேங்க. காட்டு பக்கம் வீடு இருக்கு அங்கே போறேங்க.
கம்பளி சட்டை நல்லா இருக்கு, யாரு தந்தாங்க யாரு தந்தாங்க?
கடவுள் தந்த சொத்து தானே